with you about the Shell Chain token, and it is a good project. You can easily be able to buy it. I will share the tokenomics roadmap and everything with you in that video. But before that, you can see their Shell Chain dashboard is given. First of all, for working on this project, you need to connect your wallet. You can connect any wallet which is like Wallet Coin, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Phantom, BitGet, Binance, and all the other wallets are given. I will go for the MetaMask one because it is given here, so I will just give it, and you can see in that way I can connect, and it is connected here. You can see here it's my address is given. You can easily connect that. You can see here is a Shell Chain dashboard. This is for the affiliate program and promoter program. You can see it here, and all details is given here. You can go for their Telegram, Twitter, and you can work on it. So if I go for the next one, which is tokenomics, you can see that here. So their Shell token pre-sale is given here. You can see you can go for import that. You can read all these details. Token pre-sale raised 2.5 million, left just 1.49 M, 62.71. 3 odds are left, so must go and join it. Token price is 0.000015 BNB. You can see it here. So here is details is given. You can write the amount which you want to add it here. You can buy Shell tokens from here. Is a dashboard is given here. You can see it is KYC verified. It is low gas fee. So join the future of energy. Shell official blockchain. Initiate powering the next generation of sustainable energy. You can see Shell ecosystem where you can do staking. You can stake tokens. You can stake token to earn passive income. Here they have the airdrops. You can claim airdrops and receive free Shell token. They have the main dashboard from where you can do staking, airdrops, affiliate programs, promoter features, all that. You can join community. Here is that you can see how to buy. You have to first of all connect your wallet, enter the amount you want to buy, and the minimum is 0.01. Approve the transaction, receive Shell token in that way. There you can see contract information is given, the pre-sales and all that. You can see that stuff from here. The tokenomics is given where the token allocation is given from their token details. You can see name Shell coin, symbol is Shell, and total supply is given. You can see 10% is given here. You can work on it too, and it is all the details. They 40% for the pre-sale, 15% for the ecosystem, 15% for the marketing, 10% for team, and 10% for liquidity. You can see all that details. The key feature is given here. You can go and join them. You can see their roadmap from where you can easily be able to make money on it too. You can see, and they are given, they are in Q2 and they are working on it. You can read all that details. So further you can also join them on the Telegram. Here the Telegram is given. You can preview their channel, and you can see must go and join them on the Telegram so that you can easily be able to get to know about more news. Join them on their Telegram channel, preview their channel on the Telegram, stay updated, and their important information are pinned in that messages. So I share all the details. You can easily be able to make money on it too. You can contact them here, and you can see you can also earn 10% affiliate programs. Here you can see the dashboard. They have given affiliate programs here, unique referral link with the and earn money. So you can see I will just load that here. After loading the see affiliate programs, you can claim and Shell. You can see it here is the wallet connection earning 10% and claim rewards, and in that way you can work even though in a referral thing too. So I share all the details with you, and you can easily be able to make money on it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.